Hey everybody, happy Thanksgiving to all. It's 32 degrees here on Thanksgiving morning. I'm gonna go out and fire up that heater. At least try it. My parents are here today, and my dad's real sensitive to the cold, and if I have any chance to get him out to check out the shed and see what's going on, I'll have to have that heater going. Okay, I got it all fueled up. Let's see if it'll fire up. Nothing special at all. 32 degrees. It's probably that cold in here as well. Maybe even a little colder in here. We'll see if it lights. We're still using number 2 diesel. You can see Mary was ready for it already. She knew what was going to happen. Hey, I did get a couple comments on the heater that I thought maybe I should reply to. One was that, hey, you ought to burn kerosene. It'll light easier, burn cleaner, etc., etc. You know, that's true. But for me, using kerosene is introducing yet another fuel, which defeats the value. I wanted to be able to use a single fuel, share it with my tractors, and et cetera, et cetera. That was the whole idea. The other comment was that it probably smells really bad. It really doesn't. Once this thing is lit, it burns really clean. So positive things on that. But hey, we're not here to talk about the heater. I really wanted to just kind of tell you about how thankful we are for the opportunities that we've had. Thankful for you guys. Thankful for the changes that we've seen this year. We'll probably talk more about that as we go along through the rest of the season. This is a time for us to kind of reflect. Catriel's home today. My parents, my mom and dad are here. Again, it's just a little too cold for them to kind of get out yet this morning, so we'll see if we can get them out a little bit later. Hey, we do have a winner on this. Brad Myers from Illinois correctly guessed that it's going to be a vehicle lift, an auto lift. We'll have more information on that. It's coming second week of December, and it's going to have a special rail on it that allows turf equipment, tractors, even Johnny 5, I believe, can be lifted by this thing. So we're excited about that. Now on the bad news front, found out that Martha is Mark. Yeah, I'm a tractor man, not a veterinarian. I couldn't tell a boy from a girl. We wanted 2 little girl cats, and I think we got a boy cat here. And we had named them Mary and Martha after the 2 biblical characters. So I don't know what we're going to do about that. If you're a boy cat, you don't want to be named Martha, do you? You may have to be stuck with Martha. Okay. I don't want to take too much of your time this morning. I will show you up there. I'm working on the trim. I'm going to put steel on this side, this short wall up here. That's kind of the next step. I've got the wall painted over here behind me. I'll swing you around. Wall's painted over here. This is all ready to go. We wanted to get that done in time to get this lift in and have it looking pretty good for them. It's going to be a team come in and install it sometime early to mid-December. Hey, we want to have a episode a little bit later where we'll share some of our Christmas gift ideas, but that's not today. I really don't want to take too much of your time today. I just wanted to tell you that I'm thankful for you guys sticking with us. We've really enjoyed it this year. Amazing changes. You guys have been great. Christy, you're in charge of cooking this morning.
I am. Turkey breast. We don't do a whole turkey.
And I am so happy she's in charge.
Yeah, well, I'm happy to have you here, Mom.
Well, it's so wonderful to be here. It's been a long time since we've been here.
It has, yeah.
Much too long.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, so we got turkey. What you got in here?
Sweet potato.
So
Ooh,
you
yum.
like to cook them ahead, right?
I do. I make mashed potatoes and sweet potatoes ahead, and then I have a pork casserole that's got apples and pork chops and stuffing in it, and I'll throw that in the oven in a little bit. And that way I don't have to rush around on Thanksgiving morning and peel a bunch of potatoes and all that. It's kind of a crock pot Thanksgiving at our house.
You know now why we enjoy coming.
Yeah.
We will do some green beans and corn, but that's really
That's a sideline there. Yeah.
yeah. So my turkey breast has been brining for 2 days. Brining means like it's been in a saltwater herb concoction, so it's all moist inside, and the salt actually penetrates the meat by that time, and then I'll cook it in the crock pot. It stays nice and juicy, and
Ooh, yum yum.
we'll have some good eats.
Yum yum. Again, we're so happy that we could come.
Yeah. We're happy to have you, and we're thankful for all of you. Wonder when Catriel's going to get up.
Is
I think she just came out.
I thought she was up and gone.
Come in here, Catriel. You got your makeup and all done, right, for video, right?
As much makeup as I ever do for video.
That may be too close.
That may be too close.
Well, Dad, this is the only reason I came home.
All these desserts?
All these desserts. Yeah, you got 2 types of pumpkin pie, 2 types of pecan pie. Maybe they're the same, but there's 2 of them. Whole thing of cookies, Chex Mix. I made this. You know, I don't know how good it is, but I made it.
It smells good.
Yeah. And this pumpkin pie is all mine. It's gluten-free. It's probably gross and you don't want it. Definitely.
Well, tell me why people eat pumpkin pie.
To put whipped cream on top. It's like a giant excuse to eat whipped cream.
Exactly, it's an excuse to eat whipped cream. I don't think anyone really likes pumpkin pie.
I do like pumpkin pie.
No. No one likes pumpkin pie. They just put a little slice of pumpkin pie so they can pile whipped cream way big on it.
You know, I'm not sure that anyone has ever actually seen your pumpkin pie whipped cream mounds because they're very impressive. Is that something that you're willing to, you know?
I don't
be
know.
made
I don't think I
public?
want to show people that kind of, you know,
You might
insider detail.
You might get a whipped cream sponsor though.
Happy Thanksgiving!
And we'll see you next time on Turkey Time with Tim.